Hi everyone, it's Justine. Today I'm going to open up day 15 of my Crafty Advent Calendar from Spellbinders. Let's just dive right in and see what's inside. Yes, it is an embossing folder. Is this a stitched embossing folder? You know I love stitching. That was some serious glue. Anyway, this embossing folder looks like the stitched dies that Spellbinders has. Let's just open it up and see. I don't think it die cuts because it's an embossing folder, but it definitely would give the impression like a stitched die. Let's see if I have one here. Of course I do. What am I even talking about? I have a whole basket of stitched products. So you can see I love stitching. Let's just grab one. I don't know. Let's grab this one. You know, this is an all-time favorite. This was my first stitch die. It was the Hello, and it was from the die of the month for I think June or May of this year. Anyway, my point with this is you can see that the circles here, right there, are the same kind of idea of a circle here. So I think it would be kind of neat to have some embossed paper like this with a stitched die, maybe one of the stitched ovals. That would be kind of cute. But I guess you don't have to do stitching. You could even put like a glimmered sentiment on there. Here's one that I just happen to have on my desk. This was part of the Simon Hurley glimmer plates. So you could put something like that on some embossed paper and kind of dress up the background paper a little bit. But this is a nice little embossing folder to have on hand. So this embossing folder is the SES-045, just in case you were wondering. I'll put this back in day number 15. So thanks for watching day number 15's opening. You can come on back for day number 16, which is down here, and we'll see what's in door number 16. Looking at the shape, I suppose it could be maybe another die or a stamp. So far we've had one embellishment, so perhaps it's an embellishment. I don't know, but I'm gonna guess it's not an embossing folder based on the size, but you know, we'll see. Come on back tomorrow and find out. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow. Bye.